Hello guys, my name is Dabi and I love money, and you probably love money, and I guess that's why you are here on this channel, and maybe that's why you clicked on this video. Now, you do understand to make your first 1 million you need some few things, and one, you need persistence, commitment, and also you need patience. If you are patient enough and you're committed to your journey, I promise you you're going to make your first 1 million shillings. So stick with me, and if you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel because this is the best channel for you. What do you need to have your first 1 million in your bank account? You only need these two things. One, you need an MMF account, which is money market fund account, and you also need Safaricom. And you all probably know Safaricom is the biggest tech giant in Africa right now, and it's one of the things that we need to have our 1 million account seated in our bank account. So what is an MMF account? An MMF account is an investment vehicle offered by banks, and I probably think your bank also do offer that kind of a vehicle. And most probably, if you have Absa Bank, if you have KCB, if you have NCBA Bank, they do have that kind of an investment vehicle called money market fund, which you can invest your money. We really need that kind of account while on this journey. One, just approach your bank and tell them you want to invest your money in a money market fund, or maybe do the saving in the money market fund account. Two, just go to M-Pesa app. If you do have an M-Pesa app, just go to M-Pesa app or download M-Pesa app, search Mali app in that M-Pesa app and sign up to that Mali account. Now, at this stage, we have two accounts. One from the bank, which is the money market fund, and we have an M-Pesa app in which we use the same M-Pesa app to sign up to Mali. Mali is just a small app that is just there at the M-Pesa app. So once you have these two accounts, you are going to need one more thing, which I think is the last thing to have or on our journey to making 1 million. And this is a saving of 20,000 shillings for the first month, second month, third month, up to 12 months. Guys, I told you one thing. We need consistency, we need persistency, we need patience, and we need something called committed to the journey. So you only need 12 months to hit this goal using this kind of strategy that I'm going to give you. And trust to me, after this video, I'm pretty sure some of you are going to be a millionaire after this video. Take that your 20,000 shillings and deposit into your money market fund. So I'm going to use January to December because it's very easy to count months using January to December. So let's start with January, which is our month one. So put your saving or invest your 20,000 to your bank money market fund account that you registered earlier on. And month two, also deposit or top up your first 20,000, another 20,000, top up another 20,000 on the same account. Month 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up to 12 months, do the same. So this means at the end of the year or at the end of the 12 months, you will be having 240,000 shillings. Not only 240,000 shillings, but an interest accrued of 7,800 shillings. So in total, you'll be having 247,800 shillings seated in your money market fund account. That is the first step on our journey to making 1 million. Stick with me. Once you have your 247,800 shillings in your money market fund, now you take this 247,800, you transfer them to Mali which is a Safaricom product. Now, why did I choose Mali to be the second step instead of the first step? The reason why we are having MMF account offered by bank is because it's very hard for us to keep on withdrawing the money at the bank, because we need to sign some papers. When we come to Mali, it's easy for you to withdraw from Mali to your M-Pesa because it's money that is seated right on your phone. So that's why I said we should use the first step, which is MMF account offered by the bank. And now from MMF account, we're going to transfer the same amount to Mali. We'll be using our first year saving to build up our wealth up to 1 million. Now, the 247,800, it's now seated in your Mali account and you are generating monthly income. Now, when you have a Mali account, you can withdraw that monthly income every day, after a week, or even a year. And so at this stage, guys, we're getting paid 2,168 shillings per month, which I call it free money, or I call it making money while sleeping, which is so easy. With these 2,168 minus 1,000, what do we do with this 1,000 shillings? And guys, welcome to poultry farming. But again, we are chasing the 1 million shillings. So in poultry farming, what you do, you'll be buying 4 chicks monthly. One chick costs an average of 250 shillings. So with 1,000, you'll be buying 4 chicks per month. What do you do with the rest of the balance, which is 1,168 shillings? You buy food for the 4 chicks and medicine for the same 4 chicks. So you have 2,168. We'll be buying food and medicine for these 4 chicks. What do you do? Recycle the same process over and over again. Guys, I know you can calculate how many birds you will be having by the end of 12 months period. Guys, that's how you become a millionaire with an investment of 20,000 for only 12 months. Someone somewhere is helping you build a poultry farm worth millions of shillings. I know you understand that poultry farming is one of the quickest way to become a millionaire. The rest of the maths, I will leave it for you. And in case you have any other question, or in case you want a video on any topic concerning making money, kindly leave a comment below this video. I will reply comment and click the link below this video. That's where we have the link to money market fund from different banks. We have the link to Mali offered by Safaricom. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video and share with your friends.